Welcome to our video on how to buy physical silver and gold to hedge against inflation and keep your wealth for retirement. And don't worry, we promise to make it as exciting as watching paint dry. Just kidding, we'll add a little humor to make it bearable. First things first, let's talk about why you should even consider buying physical silver and gold. It's simple, it's like that one friend who always has your back, even when the economy is on a downward spiral. It's a tried and true way to protect your savings from inflation. Plus, it's shiny and pretty to look at, and who doesn't love shiny things? So, how do you go about buying physical silver and gold? The first step is deciding on the type of investment you want to make. You can buy physical silver and gold in the form of coins or bars. Coins are usually minted by government mints and carry a face value, while bars are usually minted by private mints and do not carry a face value. Think of it like choosing between a fancy designer handbag or a plain tote bag. Both serve the same purpose, but one is just way more stylish. When buying physical silver and gold, be sure to purchase from reputable dealers. You can find these dealers online or in person at coin shops. Be sure to ask for certifications and check the purity of the metal with a testing kit. It's like buying a knockoff designer handbag. Sure, it's cheaper, but it's not the real deal. Another important factor to consider is the spot price of the metal, which is the current market price for a specific metal. The spot price can fluctuate depending on supply and demand, economic conditions, and other factors. Think of it like buying stock, the price changes all the time. When buying physical silver and gold, you should also consider the premium, which is the additional cost over the spot price of the metal. The premium can vary depending on the type and purity of the metal, as well as the coin or bar's age and condition. It's like buying a vintage designer handbag. It's a little more expensive, but it's worth it. It's also important to keep the precious metals in a safe place, like a safe deposit box or a home safe. You don't want to lose your shiny investment, just like you wouldn't want to lose your designer handbag. It's also important to diversify your investments. Don't put all your savings into one type of investment, whether it's silver, gold, or any other. Diversifying is like having a collection of designer handbags. It's always good to have options. It's also important to remember that physical silver and gold are not liquid assets and you may face difficulty in selling them in a hurry. It's important to invest what you can afford to lose. When in doubt, consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. They can help you make informed decisions and ensure that your investments align with your retirement goals. Plus, they'll give you a much-needed reality check when you're tempted to buy that $10,000 gold bar shaped like a unicorn. So, to sum it up, buying physical silver and gold is a smart way to protect your savings from inflation and preserve your wealth for retirement. Plus, it's shiny and pretty to look at. Who knows, it might even be worth more than your designer handbag collection in the long run. We hope this video has been informative, and a little bit of fun. Happy investing! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.